Apple's iPhone 17 is literally around the corner, and I've got to say, it's already shaping up to be one of the weirdest iPhone launches ever. Not just because of the leaks, but because Apple themselves basically slipped up and confirmed a ton of stuff. And on top of that, people are catching Apple engineers out in public testing the phones. Like, Apple, you really thought nobody was going to notice? So here's what went down. Someone spotted an engineer holding two iPhones. The back one looked like a regular iPhone 16 Pro, no big deal. But the one in front? It was wrapped up in this chunky, ugly stealth case Apple always uses to hide prototypes. They've been doing this since the iPhone 4 days. But this time, the disguise didn't work. You could still see the camera cutouts, and boom, there it was. A brand new camera bar design. Forget the little triangular setup we've had for years. This one stretches across the back with the LiDAR and flash shoved off to the side. And honestly, it looks kind of bold. Now, why the big change? It's not just for fun. Apple's giving the telephoto lens a huge upgrade. Right now, the iPhone Max is out at 5x zoom. The 17 Pro, supposedly going up to 8x with real optical zoom. That's insane for an iPhone. Like, this could be the biggest camera jump they've ever made. Of course, not every leak sounds real. Some people are saying Apple's adding a second camera button on top of the phone. I don't know about you, but that just feels wrong. Apple doesn't do extra buttons. What makes way more sense is a new Pro camera app. They already launched Final Cut Camera, so giving the Pro models some exclusive software love? Yeah, I can see that happening. And then there's the colors. Forget boring silver. This year, we might see a new liquid glass finish. It's white at first, but tilt it and the color shifts. Kinda like one of those cars that changes paint shades depending on the light. That sounds way more exciting than just dark blue, again. Now, materials, this one stings a bit. The Pros might ditch titanium and go back to aluminum. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air, that one's gonna be scary thin. Like, leaked batteries show it's only 2.49 millimeters thick. Translation, this thing's probably not lasting you all day unless you carry a charger. And yeah, prices are going up. About $50 more across the board. But Apple's throwing in double the storage on the Pros, finally starting at 256 gigs. Launch day? Circle September 9th. Phones hit stores on the 19th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.